Hello traders. In this video, we are looking at the support and resistance power indicator for MT4. This indicator is designed to highlight particularly strong support and resistance levels on your charts, helping you focus on the zones with the highest potential to influence price. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, I'm about to allow DLL imports. And there we have it. On the chart, the support and resistance power indicator plus horizontal levels or zones on your charts that represent areas where price has reacted multiple times in the past. Stronger levels, those with more historical touches or more pronounced reactions, are often visually emphasized. For example, with thicker lines or distinct colors, implying that these zones carry more power and may be significant. As price moves, you can see how it behaves around these mark levels, bouncing, reversing, or breaking, providing a clear visual map of where the market has historically respected price barriers. This structure helps you identify natural areas for potential entries, exits, and stop placements without manually drawing every line. As for the indicator settings, let's see what we have at the inputs. Alright, so the customizable settings we have at the SR period and then the max bars. You can also customize our colors so it fits in perfectly with our MT4 chart theme and trade on our preferred time frames as well. So who is this indicator for and what are its limitations? The support and resistance power indicator is suited to traders who build their strategies around key levels and want a more objective automated way to identify the most influential zones. It is still based on historical price action and cannot predict the future. Strong levels can and do break, especially around major news or regime shifts. It should therefore be used in conjunction with confirmation tools such as candlestick patterns, trend context, oscillators, and robust mix management rather than as a standalone signal generator. The download link is in the description below. You can read more about the support and resistance power indicator MT4, including example charts, configuration ideas, and strategy considerations at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.